applications are concerned. Out of that, first one is the welding, second one is cutting, and third one is drilling. Now in welding, laser provides excellent weld quality and clean processing, which is why they are favored by manufacturers, particularly in the medical industry where the safety of medical devices and parts is supreme. Laser welding creates high strain joints required by businesses in the medical, automotive, aerospace sectors. So this is the basic diagram of the laser. So these are the laser beams, and we have to use one biconvex lens here so that we can concentrate all these laser radiations at one point. So the intensity or the strength of the laser beam will be higher over here, and these are the two metal plates that we are going to join together. So this is the line of contact. So these are the radiations. We are going to focus on this line of contact where we can we have to join these two metal plates. Now what are the plus points of the laser welding? So first one is that it's ultimate precision. One of the main benefits of laser welding is that offers a high level of accuracy and control. The fact laser technology is so precise means that it can be used to weld the smallest part together without causing any damage to them. So this is one of the important part of the laser welding, that we can join a smallest part without damaging the materials, capable of creating complicated joints. We can weld dissimilar metals also, as well as areas, means two materials which are not of the same area, and they are of different materials that we can join with the laser welding. Third one is that low heat applications. The fact laser welding technology uses a low heat application minimizes the distortion of the components. This is why it is the preferred method of welding for those creating luxury products like jewelry. Lasers use very localized energy, allowing for contact-free applications. Consistent and repeatable welds. It is a much faster welding technique than other more traditional techniques, and is also much versatile also. High strength welds. Laser technology allows manufacturers to make high strength welds. There is no need for filler material to be used, so we don't require any third material to be used for the welding purpose. So the impurity part is neglected here. Lasers provides excellent weld quality and clean processing, which is why they are favored by the manufacturers, particularly in the medical industry where the safety is the prior concept. Now let us focus on the cutting. Laser cutting is a manufacturing process which can eliminate the need of machining on many engineering jobs, enabling you to save money on manufacturing cost. Laser cutting presents certain advantages over plasma cutting, as this process is more precise and uses less energy when cutting material like steel, aluminum, sheets. So this is the basic diagram for the laser cutting. So here these are the laser. Again we have to use some biconvex lens so that we can increase the intensity of laser beam here. One thing is that here we have to supply the oxygen. So continuous need of oxygen, continuous supply of oxygen is there, so which will support to the cutting. Also after cutting, the same oxygen can use for cooling purpose, and also this oxygen will help to blow the unwanted small parts which are created during the cutting. Now what are the advantages of laser cutting? These are the advantages of this process are as follows. First one is that non-contact process, means we don't require any cutter in contact with the material. Just we have to apply a beam, laser beam, which physically doesn't touch to the material, instead causing the metals and cutting process through the heat. Damage to the material will get minimized. So there is no contact of material, so damage will get minimized. Low power consumption. The cutting machine will allow only use of around 10 kilowatt of power, where other cutting process use around 50 kilowatt or more than that also. It's a safer method. Laser cutting is much safer method than other cutting processes, as the beam that is being used is sealed and it is put in a tight light box. Can work with many different materials, whether it's a metal, diamonds, plastic, wood, glass, or many other materials. A laser will have no problem cutting it down in size or helping to create complex and intricate shapes. Now third one is the drilling. Laser drilling is the process of creating holes, both large and small, in a variety of different materials. Some holes are through holes used for creating things such as air cooling vents, while other holes are nothing more than a small dents in a material to roughen it up to for coating and gluing purposes. So what are the advantages of the laser drilling? Main advantage of laser drilling are as follows: is a fine point drilling is possible. Second thing is that vibration free process means actual material will get drilled with the help of a beam, so vibrations are absolutely no there. It's a contactless process, not necessary to direct contact or direct touch to the material. Just we have to apply a beam, so it's a contactless process. High speed and accuracy, in a fraction of second the drill will get ready there. Drilling is possible very close to the edge also. So since there are no vibrations, so material damage will get reduced and we can have a drill at very nearer to the edges also. Not necessary to remove the part. So if some part is attached with the machinery where we have to drill, so not necessary to remove that part. Without removing the part, just we have to apply the beam and we can have a drill at their original place also. And variable size drilling is possible. So these are the three useful industrial applications of the laser. Thank you.